Today we are giving you a recipe for spinach feta salad. So stick around.
Welcome back to College Kitchen. I'm Robin.
I'm Karen, and we're so glad that you're here because today we are giving you the easiest recipe for a spinach feta salad that you can make for any reason.
Maybe you need a quick lunch. It's quick.
And it's lunch. Maybe you are going to have a bunch of friends over one night for dinner.
And it's over.
Maybe.
You need a meal prep. It's meal and it's prep.
Yeah. I like all of these ideas.
There you go.
I think we've planned it all out. We're going to give you the recipe in the description, so make sure and check down there for all the little tidbitty info.
Moving on, let's get started.
Ready to eat.
I wonder why.
Hold on, we've got some things to say about this salad. First of all, you could add any kind of protein to it that you want, like grilled chicken or tuna fish or tofu if you're like Robin and only like vegetables, except sometimes. Ooh, even grilled steak would be really yummy in this.
Knocked off my pepper.
Oh man. Also, I really like salad dressing. A really yummy light vinaigrette would go great, but Robin doesn't like salad dressing, so we are sans salad dressing today.
Heck no. Okay.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
But don't actually touch it.
Cheers.
Don't touch it.
Cheers.
No.
Okay.
You dropped some cheese, Mom.
Ah! That's the best part. Throw it on there. Okay, here we go. That was delicious. Also, if you're gonna do this for meal prep, I would say, number one, if you have croutons, don't put them in until day of. They'll get soggy and they'll be gross. Number two, we didn't put tomatoes in this because, again, this one's not a fan.
Tomatoes are disgusting.
But I love tomatoes. But again, they do get a little watery and soggy. So for any meal prep, you're going to want to save those until day of. Those are the ideas on how you could use this salad as meal prep for the whole week. You could make your lunches or your dinner, put them in little containers, throw them in your fridge, and just grab one each day when you need something real easy to eat and take on the go with you to your classes or to work or just whatevs.
See you guys next week.
Bye.